Common spoken mistakes you should avoid. I was dancing at the rain. Naan. You are surrounded by rain, so use in. I was dancing in the rain. I'm going to downtown. When downtown show direction, to is not needed. Think of it like home. I'm going home, not I'm going to home. It should be I'm going downtown. Follow for more.